Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I have recognized Allah when yearning love takes hold. Day and night it scalds me and further demands it makes hold. Inner being is aflame and inside is its fuel and its smoke hold. Hadrat Bahoo reality unfolds when Ishq, it love, familiarity invoke. When the Zat of Allah Almighty was seen and the illumined love progressed within me and my love for Allah Almighty became far greater than there has ever been, and due to that love remained in progression, and my innermost has been burning with a fire of love, and the fuel is nafs, and the worldly desire and satanic suspicions is as smoke. I had attained innermost purity, and then I have attained recognition of Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty is recognized in it love. This enhancement love, it scalds me day and night, and it demands further endeavors. The passion would become restless. All the ingredients of fire and passion and its smoke are within the innermost self. When love guidance is accessed by the heart, and when that love unfolds, then actual Zat is accessed.